Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Nissan Versa trunk from the inside. First, locate the emergency release handle, which is usually a small, glow-in-the-dark lever or cord. This safety feature is designed for easy access in emergencies. Simply pull the handle firmly towards you, and the trunk lid will unlatch, allowing you to open it from within. It's a straightforward process for your safety and convenience. For many Nissan Versa models, there's also an electronic trunk release button located inside the cabin. You'll typically find this button on the dashboard, often to the left of the steering wheel, or sometimes on the driver's side door panel. Simply press and hold this button for a moment, and you'll hear the trunk unlatch. This offers a convenient way to open the trunk without needing to exit the vehicle. It's vital to understand that the internal trunk release handle is primarily a safety feature. It's designed to allow anyone accidentally or intentionally trapped inside the trunk to escape quickly. This is especially important for child safety. Take a moment to show any passengers, particularly children, where this handle is and how to use it. Knowing this simple step can prevent serious situations. To quickly recap, opening your Nissan Versa trunk from the inside is simple. You have two main options: the glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle located inside the trunk itself, and for many models, an electronic release button inside the vehicle cabin. Familiarize yourself with both methods to ensure you can always access your trunk or, more importantly, escape from it safely if ever needed. Stay safe and informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.